Select an object to add an effect. You can drill into grouped objects to animate a child object alone. Tap Drill, then Star, then Effect, then Move. Drag the object to record the animation. Recording starts when you touch the object and it ends when you lift your finger. If you don't like the movement, press Redraw Path. Tilt along the path moves the nose of your object along the path. Finish upright sets the object vertical when complete. Straight path replaces the path you made with a direct path to the destination. Loops will repeat the motion. If you don't have Return to Start selected, it will simply append it to the movement. Selecting Return to Start will repeat the identical movement. If you select Return to Start with Retrace on, it will reverse the motion for a smooth transition back.